Hey everybody, want to do a quick walk around of this project we just wrapped up today. Now this is a Ford Mustang GT350. It has a 5.2 liter flat plane crank V8, which if you guys don't know, that is what exotic cars actually use. It creates a higher revving engine, higher performance, and a very unique sound. So this is a very, very special Mustang. So this car was brought to us with a couple thousand miles. It's about 2 years old, so it had a little bit of wear and tear to it, some swirl marks and light scratches and stuff throughout. So we went ahead and polished the full car with our level 1 polish to remove a lot of those light scratches and defects. Then we did our ceramic platinum coating. Now this coating is a up to 7-year durability coating with some light self-healing properties to it, similar to a clear bra. Not only does it actually have some self-healing properties, but it has an incredible gloss, shine, durability, and slickness. So this coating is going to be more in line with a really high gloss like a Canova waxwood, whereas some coatings have kind of a crystal look. This has a very warm wax-like finish, which is what the owner really was looking for, and I think we achieved that. This color also is freaking awesome. I love it. I have a Toyota Tacoma with a very similar color to it, so it's always a unique treat to see this car really pop. The polishing did bring out a lot of the gloss, but the coating itself really was that icing on the cake, so to speak. And most importantly is that the car is now going to be protected and a lot easier to keep clean. So in addition to coating all the painted surfaces, we coated all the plastics, including the headlights and the fog lights, and we also coated the outside surfaces of the wheels. Now that is actually included in our exterior surface package, is the outside of the wheels. We can actually do the inside as well and the calipers for an additional fee, but we do coat the outside included in our package here. So just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the finished result, and I'm very happy with how everything turned out. So it's not 100% correction. We strive for about a 90-95% correction with our level 1 polishing package, which for a car like this that's going to be driven, going to be used, is really a good balance for final results, as well as not sacrificing clear coat integrity by removing too much clear coat. So there's a fine line. You can go after all the defects, but you do actually start compromising the durability of the clear coat long term if you're removing so much substrate. So anyways guys, wanted to show you the final result here and give you a full walk around of our ceramic platinum coating. Thanks for watching.